Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Have you booked your tickets for the Division Conference of April the 13th in Hilversum? Well, the team and I are super excited to be bringing you this event where, for the first time in Dutch conference history, we will have live entertainment from our talented Toastmasters throughout the day. And, of course, you will have a chance to hear the creme de la creme of speeches and evaluations from across the division. But that's not all. We have an inspiring keynote by Sanbrita Moitra and 5 amazing workshops, not to mention a delicious free lunch. So book your tickets now. The cutoff date is April the 6th, but hey, I'm not sure that we'll even have some tickets left by then. So don't delay, because we would love to have you there with us.